are actively involved in their education are more likely to succeed? It's true. When school, families, communities work together, children thrive. But for that to happen, strong partnerships are key. In this fast-paced world, it is easy to feel disconnected. But when parents, teachers, and other stakeholders team up, we can make a lasting impact on children's achievement. When families are involved, children do better in school. They feel more supported, confident, and motivated. Research shows that students whose parents stay engaged are more likely to achieve higher grades, improve their behavior, and graduate on time. So, how can parents and schools work together to help children succeed? It starts with communication. Teachers can share updates about learners' progress, and parents can ask questions and provide feedbacks. Attending parent-teachers meeting, volunteering at school events, or simply staying in touch can make a world of difference. But it's not just about parents and teachers. All other stakeholders play a significant role too. BLGUs, alumni, and other community leaders can also contribute to supporting education in powerful ways, whether it is offering financial assistance, providing or donating school supplies, books, and other learning materials. When we join hands together, schools, families, and the wider community, children will be benefited. We create a support around them that helps them succeed both in and out of the classroom. So what can you do? Get involved today. Whether you're a parent, a teacher, or a community member, your participation can make a difference. Volunteer, stay informed, support our school. Together, we can create a school environment where every child feels supported, valued, and ready to succeed. Let's build a stronger community for the future.